What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. I had to come to YouTube, bro. I had to come on YouTube and just break this trade down because this is the most I ever made in a trade. This is the most I've ever made in a day. Period. And I've been at what? At the end of this year, there's gonna be 6 years. 6 years. I'm still trading. 2019, I was trading. 2020, COVID, I was trading. And I'm still trading. And we just got 21 bans on this. So I had to come to YouTube and document this and also break down why I took this trade. Because it may look simple, but it paid out crazy. And the crazy part about this trade, it had a little bit confluence with a demand setup, but it was just like a regular support / liquidity grab setup. So I want to break this trade down. Hopefully people get some value out of this trade. I do want to just say this. I'm trading on personal funds. I've been trading personal funds since I started in 2019. I've saved up so much money, hundreds of thousands of dollars to trade with. So I'm trading with a 6-figure account. I want to say that before somebody try to do this on a prop firm account and then you lose your challenge or you lose your account. I'm trading personal funds. Like my channel, I preach personal funds. I do not preach prop firms, but that is a good tool. I believe the real freedom is in the live account. That's the real freedom, I'm telling you. But I just wanted to say that before people be like, okay, how did you do that? What are you using prop firm? No. Okay, so let's get into it. This trade right here, this was a 5-minute liquidity grab / support setup. You can see right here, we have a double bottom right here. And we also have the 200 EMA to back up the trade. So I also like to trade away from the 200 EMA. I like to go with the trend. So as I saw that it came back down to retest these wicks right here, I'm like, okay, this is actually a good spot where prices like to bounce off of. So price love to bounce off of moving averages. I know people hate indicators. I know people hate trying to rely on indicators. And I agree to that. Like indicators is not the key. It's really price action. But I'm telling you, like the 200 EMA, I've been preaching about 200 EMA since I was trading Fibonacci. Like I'm telling you this right now, bro. Like put it on your chart. I had the 200 EMA right there. I saw that it was rejecting the 200 EMA, and my stop loss was gonna go underneath this wick. Now this is a safe stop loss because the 200 is right there. If this trade was to lose, then I just know that I had the trend wrong that day. Like you get what I'm saying? But if I do have the trend right, we're at the bottom of the pullback because the 200 EMA usually reflects off of price. So yeah, so it came back to these wicks right there. It rejected it perfectly. I like this rejection. I sent this trade out to the Discord. We got in for buys right here. We put our stop loss underneath here. Okay, first take profit was up in here. Now when I was in this trade, I was looking at these this double top right here, and this is also liquidity sitting right here. So I'm like, okay, this is actually nice. So we got liquidity sitting right above here. We're going with the trend. And also, if I take this off, no matter if I'm not going to take it off. Let's just go to the 1 hour real quick. The 1 hour also had 1 hour demand as confluence on this trade too. So now we got 2 time frames going in one direction. We have the 1 hour that's creating a demand setup. We have the 5 minute that's creating a support / liquidity grab setup. And all the EMAs is underneath, and my stop loss just make perfect sense. Like I just love where my stop loss was at, right underneath the 200 EMA. That was literally perfect. So yeah, this had confluence with the 1 hour. So that's probably why this pushed up so much. And yeah, so I ended up getting out right here around like 10:45, 10:50. I ended up getting out, and I'm so sick that I got out. I'm so sick that I got out right here because I missed out on all of this. Like I could have made even more money. Like that's the mind blowing part about this. This was my biggest day and I left so much money on the table. Like I'm just like, wow, like I need to be adding more money to my trading account. I need to be having consistent 20K days. Like, you know what I'm saying? But like I know what's in my account, and my account can't handle just taking 10K hits and 8K hits. Like I'm not willing to lose that right now. But as I gradually keep growing it year after year, then yeah, a 20K day could be my average win. But this is just an extraordinary day. But yeah, so it reached my 1 and 2. I got out, and then the very next candle just pushed up. I didn't catch none of this. All of this is all I caught. I just caught that. And it's just like, okay, this was an amazing day. So my risk management, far as the rest of this week, is I'm gonna lower my risk because I'm trading tomorrow. Like tomorrow is live trading day for people that's in my Discord. I'm gonna be trading live tomorrow at 7:30. I'm gonna lower my risk, and then Thursday, I'm still gonna just keep my risk small. I'm not gonna trade with the same risk today, on Tuesday or Thursday or even Friday, because I don't want to give back profits and I don't want to risk too much when I just had a huge win. Like honestly, I could really just stop trading for the whole week. I could just be done and just let's just show up next week. But I still want to just stick to my trading plan, stick to my routine, and just, you feel me, just trade like I've been trading Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. But definitely this week, I'm going to really take it easy on Friday because I lost 3 Fridays in a row. You know what I'm saying? I'm literally on a losing streak on Fridays. Like Fridays is just like huge trap days for me. And I lose like majority of the time. So I'm definitely gonna lower my risk. But this was an amazing trade, man. Like I just can't believe that we're at the end of this year, this will be 6 years and we're still breaking records. We're still trying to push the needle. You know what I'm saying? Like this is where it's at, bro. Like if you got the capital to go to a live account and just trade your own money, I promise you, bro, you gon' like, oh my God, I don't have no rules. I have my own rules. I'm disciplined. I don't need a prop firm to tell me how I should trade. Like everybody trade differently. Like, and I also want to say this too for traders that's watching this. If you're having a hard time getting funded, don't think that you're not a good trader. Like I genuinely want to say that because it's people that just can't follow their criteria. Like if you can follow their criteria and you're okay with the rules, then that's cool. But if you're not okay with their rules, don't feel like you just can't trade, bro. You can trade, bro. Like it's just the strict rules is not fitting your trading plan. It can fit another trader, but it may not fit you. So take that to account, bro. Like I'm always gonna push live account because, bro, I'm telling you, in 2019, prop firms really wasn't that popular. I've been saying that. Like when I first started to trade, like it was really just load up the live account, see what you can do. Like that's what I've been doing. I'm having days like this. So I'm telling you, the end goal is to have a live account. Like no joke. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like this breakdown, I don't need to talk too long. Like it was a support setup. It had a 1 hour demand right there. Literally just sitting right there. It was literally perfect right there. You know what I'm saying? We're going with the trend and it just was a good setup. The 15 minute, there wasn't any confluence on the 15 minute. The 4 hour, let me check the 4 hour. The 4 hour really didn't have much confluence. It still just looked bullish. Like if you just zoom out, it just looked bullish on gold. But other than that, it was pretty simple. Now, people ask me, okay, what broker are you using? I'm using Tradevate, okay? I use Tradevate. I've been using it since the beginning of 2024. But it's kind of crazy because on this trade in particular, the candles froze at 9:55. Okay, let me actually rewind it so you can see exactly what candle froze on this trade. This candle right here froze as it was hitting my 1-to-1. And then almost at like my 1-to-2, some of my students was letting me know like, okay, Tradevate is freezing, and then it unfroze again. So if Tradevate is watching this, you need to fix your servers, bro, because you almost messed up my biggest day. Like literally you almost messed it up. So get that together. So that's my only issue. That's like my first issue ever with Tradevate is that this froze on this trade. But yeah, man, that's about it. I'm having an amazing day. Like I already soaked it in before I got on camera. I'm just like, bro, like you doing it. Like and before I get off of this, I'm telling you, bro, if I can save up money to put into my trading account, if I can be smart with my withdrawals and create extra streams of income for myself to throw back into my trading account, like I'm just reinvesting. I get money from the rental property, or I'm throwing that right back into the trading account. Or I get money from the game app that I have. Okay, then I'm throwing that right back in the trading account. I'm just gonna keep loading it up until a 20K day is a regular day. This is an extraordinary day for me. But at some point, it's gonna become a regular day. But yeah, that's all I got. Peace and love.